The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Happy Thursday, guys. Today is April 3rd. Markets are in a tailspin, and we're fixing to wrap up the week here. Everything is short. Morning, guys. Hope everyone had a terrific afternoon. For those of you in the Algo group, I believe Sean sent out a recording of the video, and yesterday, good morning, Patrick. Pascal. Guys, good morning. I believe Sean sent out the email with the recording from the meeting yesterday, as well as from the session yesterday. I got up, I had this on 15 minutes this morning. This is gold. And when I got up this morning at 5, it hadn't taken a trade on the 15-minute beginning at 3 a.m., right? So it had been in shorts. Gold had been in shorts since, shortly after midnight or so. So there was no trade. So I went down to a 3-minute, and it took a short, which was a failed trade. And then it took a long, which has gotten all targets and is up 880. So I've got this starting back again at 8 a.m., right? So 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. and then 8 a.m. on gold. I also just built, I actually did this for silver, but silver's following gold currently down the toilet. So I changed it to copper, which is also in shorts. Copper would have had a short and would have hit 2 targets so far. It's actually 2 contracts, so it would have hit both. I set it for 2 contracts for silver, but because silver is so far away from a trade, at least, a long trade, I went to copper, and this is a trade it would have taken. So it did not, but in any event, that's what we've got. I don't know that we're going to see any rebounds here, but be that as it may, it is Thursday, April 3rd. Opening day of trout season was 2 days ago, by the way, in New York. At 8:30, we have continuing and initial jobless claims. 10 o'clock, we have ISM manufacturing. That's 4-star news. And then for those of you guys that may trade in the afternoons, be aware, 12:30, we have a Fed speaker, Jefferson, and 2:30, we have a Fed speaker, Cook. I suspect they'll try to do some damage control, but volume is obscene in the overnight session. Volume is obscene. 171,000 contracts have traded from 6 p.m. Eastern in the Globex session. I don't know. I mean, short of, we've seen a few over the many years. Some of us have been together. We've seen a few capitulation trades. This is about as high as I've ever seen, coming in at 8 a.m. So net negative delta is not horrific. It's only a couple of thousand contracts. But right now we have obscene volume. And, for some of us, we may experience freezing, lag, etc. The ninja usual. All right. If you guys are here on trial, good morning. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk, and today is going to be one of those days. There's natural gas. See if we can get a target.
Order filled.
There's YM if anybody wanted it. I've been 857 actually on NASDAQ. See if we can get a dang target here. Come on, one more tick. Really? One more? One more. Now it hit target. It didn't fill it. Hit it to the tick. If you guys want to take some off, take some off if you're short. You're welcome, Andrew.
Order submitted.
It's immaterial. Target filled. Again, I got to work on I just built this morning, and I actually built it for silver. But because silver was so far in the dump, I put it, tried to find something that would take trades for you guys. See if we can go get a second target down there at 485. Nice job, Andrew. Here's your 5-minute breakout, 62. Come on, gold. Let's go. Let's get us a target, baby. Come on, target one. Oh, let's go. This should push, guys.
Order submitted.
Target one hit and filled. If you guys took the 011 on gold, right, based on market structure, you want to take some off now. Take some off. All right, I just got to work on this trail, guys. Anybody take gold long? All right. All right. I mean, that's a freaking huge move, guys. I mean, this thing hit what, 06? $5? Phew. This is going to keep going. So take some risk off. I don't really have any resistance till I get to 9.5. Guys, let me get back in the game here. Yeah, absolutely, man. All right, that's fine. It's $400-500 trade. Boo, 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 boo. NASDAQ's coming down, guys. NASDAQ's coming down. We're below VWAP. We're holding a little bit. Come on, gold. Let's get second target, baby. We're getting close to resistance on gold. Got to get above 9.4. That's another target. 10.3. If this gets up through 18.7, it's going to go bananas. Okay. It's at resistance here. All right, guys. NASDAQ's getting ready to come down. Watch this move below 950. Hey, Greg, let me get you in here, man. Got you, Greg.
Morning.
Morning, man.
Good morning.
I gave an 3101.1 long on gold.
Oh, very nice. You still in it?
I mean, I'm not. I didn't even take it. When I gave it, I went to put the trade on. It was like $8 away. I'm like, I'm not even going to put the trade on. Look at it.
Pullback here, we might get along. It looks like it's got to get above 18 now, though.
I just want to get this damn second target at 10.6. I mean, I hate, again, because I'm still playing with the auto trail on this sucker. I hate to give up $1,000.
Sure.
All right, 01 you said?
On NQ, yes.
All right.
They're all setting up to get a retracement, it looks like.
I guess it hit. Needs to push here.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I don't know what the hell that trade that took. That didn't take any trade. I'm still holding. That took no trade.
12.2, they sold on the way down, so that would give out. I think you entered here 15, 16. Yeah. I broke up through some resistance that I had, so I'll want it to continue to hold 909. breaks down through there.
Okay, YM needs to close below this 94. I'm going to move this manually, guys. But it needs to close below that yellow or orange line here. And it goes to break even. And below that yellow line here, the trail kicks in. All right. YM, I think, is going to come down. I have a 134 target on YM. I think it can get this target here. NASDAQ sitting on a piece of support. I think NASDAQ's coming back down to 890. Richard, there is no trying of the new one. There's no trying. There's never been trying of anything, but you have the algo, right? Do you not have the algo?
Order canceled.
Richard. Yeah, right. So you're receiving it. There's no trying. Should have it next week. If you watch the video, I'm pretty clear that I'm waiting for one thing to be corrected in the programming.
Order submitted.
All right. Well, we got target one on NASDAQ. I'm going to move that to break even because I trust that about as much as
Order canceled.
yeah, I don't trust longs. I really don't want longs. This 5-minute, here's the 50%. Watch this guy's above that 62 again. I think we just came back through the structure break. What do you,
Order submitted.
I'm not understanding your question. What should we be trading? On what, Richard? What I would do if I were you is watch the video that you were sent yesterday. I would watch that video. Seriously. So the YM went into a short again, guys. Okay, so gold is out, guys. Gold is up 3,100 bucks on the day. That's done, right? No need to trade that again. Natural gas is up 640. It will only take a short now. ES on an eval is up 550. Target one just hit now on YM again. Yesterday, the cumulative total was over 7 grand. We'll see what it is today. I guess I'm going to have to record the whole session. So we've pinged yesterday's low, and we're still kind of consolidating below yesterday's low. Greg, you have a short you like?
On NASDAQ?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Oh, I need it up a little higher.
All right, so YM is now at that support area. If it gets, there it goes, got that second target, it's going to have to break this area. NASDAQ, guys, I have it trying to come down to 889, but it's got to get below 934. The trail is now kicked in on the YM because we've closed below this yellow line. There it goes. So, yeah, they bottom up to resell them, my opinion. I think NASDAQ is coming back to 957 support. News in 2 minutes, guys. There's my 57. We're going to sell. I have no doubts we're coming down to 889. I'll wait till after the news. I'm guessing the YM will be over the $1,000 mark, which means I'll shut it off. All right, guys, here we go with ISM. 20 seconds. Three, two, one, news. Come on, YM, bust out. NASDAQ's going to short, I think, here, guys. Right at VWAP. Watch this break here, 50%, 75. Not much, not much there, guys. 10 handles. Anybody else getting terrible lag? Nothing on silver, Greg. I got nothing on crude. They've been taken out to the woodshed. Nothing on copper. 3.5 seconds and typical 1 second lag right now on Ninja. And it froze. You're getting the daily trifecta of Ninja. I think the secret is you have to go to Ninja Trader 7. Greg, start selling that download.
Still got your gold. Did you get out?
Yeah. I was
Okay.
going to say gold is going. Gold, if that gold gets above this 1878 area, I think she sees 28 to 30. What do you think?
I got another target at 43.1.
Whee! I got VWAP at 37. It's going there for sure.
Okay.
Here comes YM. Guys, I swear to you, I think this NASDAQ is done. Should get a little bounce right here off the top of the 2-minute cloud. There's the little bounce. And I think this pushes down. I think this pushes down to 89.
Order submitted. Order held.
Got my $1,000 back, Greg. Up 300.
That makes me happy.
Yeah, man, I told you I'd get it back. Shit. They can't get me.
Ain't nothing but a thing.
Ain't no fun when a rabbit got the gun.
That's right.
Why is that all 3 targets off it?
Order
Target 1. Oh, no, that was 1? What? Oh, it's flat. It didn't cancel the trade. That's an Apex account, guys. Up 14.45. Wee doggy. We are crushing today. Crushing. Come on, you rat bag. Came to 03. It's coming to 89, guys. I'm telling you, it's coming to 89. If you took the short, it's coming to 89. I'm highly confident. Come on, Chooch. Let's go. YM up 1,200 on the runner. Can a brother get the NASDAQ to fail? Don't do that. Yeah, YM is moving nicely. Just held 100 basic. Oh, you dirt dog. Come on down. This could pop back up to 58 or drop straight down to 89. I don't have it in a long. If that stop were bigger, I tell you it's coming. You're going to get 89. You'll get that first target at 99. Whew, look at gold. Busted out.
Yes, sir.
Anybody holding gold still? Hell, that's one trade and done for the week. You have $22 from where I gave that long. Here we go. Come on. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go. Come on, baby. Just get target 1. I'd be happy.
There's some support there at 92, 93.
On NASDAQ?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. Just nice job, John. There it is. Target 1, guys. Now I'm going to manually move that until I can figure out the trail stop. Okay? But trust me when I tell you, it's within the programming. Here comes YM looking to finish off third target. That's done for the day. Come on, NASDAQ. Look at that. Held right where Greg said it would. Jinx. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud. Needs to break below 87 and it gets busted. So it only made 975. That's cool. We can live with that.
Oh, gold.
Yeah, come on, gold. All right.
Oh,
I'll be truthful, man. I like the pace that the YM is trading today. Just a slow grind lower. Unlike the NASDAQ, which looks like it's running around looking for its father. NQ is just, there it is, guys. All right, done. Up 26.65, 1 trade. No, 2 trades. Got first target here, all 3 targets here. I mean, is this thing badass or what? This thing needs to suit up.
what do you got that on the 1 minute? Is that what you're trading that on?
Yeah, man. Only because I can't figure out a 3 range.
I looked at that 1 minute yesterday during Trump's speech, and I thought, shit,
Oh, God. At 4 o'clock?
there ain't no way in hell.
Well, listen, yesterday we had cumulative of $7,000. Today we've got 3130 in gold, and the YM is 2665. Yeah, man. Bob, I'm in a fuck that guy. Seriously. That's 57.95. We got 975 here. We got 1445 here. That's 82.15. And let us not forget natural gas. It's only done 8,855 bucks today, fellas. Ah,
Just by turning something off.
that's it. That's it, man. Well, you know what they say, necessity is the mother of all invention. That's a hell of an hourly pay. I said we would get 89. There's my target. Now we probably push down to 66. And I've got an 836 on the bottom. Time for fishing? I ain't got time. I wish I did.
Ain't got time to bleed.
That's right. That's right. I don't have time to bleed. I missed a 3-minute short, guys, up at 14 half. I'm going to short 2 on the NASDAQ, guys. Watching for a short. I'm going to short 76. Damn, that hit fast. All right, 76 with a first target at 62.
Order submitted.
First target at 62. Final target at 836.
Order submitted.
Nice job, Jonathan. Really nice job. NASDAQ's just holding the bottom of the 2-minute cloud here, but I don't think this can go long. That's just my opinion. If it breaks down below 89, I think it pushes back down into that 69.70 area. Here it comes. Here comes NASDAQ. Let's get target 1, baby. Baby. We're below the cloud. This thing is done. It's done. I'm telling you, it's done. This could bounce back up, maybe to 07, but it's done. It's cooked. Come on. Let's go. Give me 69 again. Boom, chakalaka. Target one, fellas. Target one. Told you it's done. It pushed back up into this zone. This could be building a bull flag, though. I'd like to see this sell down to 831.
We got over 5 inches of rain here yesterday.
No way.
Yeah.
Flash flooding?
Yeah. Fort Wayne is known for flooding. Like I said yesterday, I had a pond in my backyard.
We got rain coming again on Sunday. I mean, as of right now, they're saying Sunday. I've got to go up to the I got to go up to the other house to take a furniture delivery Saturday. Okay, there's target one, and here comes target on copper.
I need to hold that over the announcement. Well done.
This is done after this trade. That'll be over $1,000. If it gets that second target, it'll be over $1,000. Either way, it's done. It's 10:30. Come on, copper.
Anybody short NQ, I don't think you're going to want it up through 6.
Order canceled.
All right. That's done. I'll quickly do totals. Every one of these trades, guys, is fully recorded on the video. So you can see every single trade on YouTube. Okay? So we've got 31.30 on gold. 31.30. Natural gas 760, 2 contracts. 760. NASDAQ 1470, shorts only, no long trades. NASDAQ on an apex evaluation, 1445. And the YMSKI, 2665. Bringing a grand total for the session, 9,470 simulated dollars. Oh, that's not true. Well, 1445 on an evaluation is still simulation. 9,470 session total. Yesterday was kind of a weak day. It only did $7,000. There's your session total. Pretty badass indicator, fellas. I know I have to do better. I'm trying. As I said